This is what? Wait.
What? Go play a game.
What are my games?
Oh, I gotta go talk to Mom. Okay.
So, Agario.
Hello.
Agario is a game where there's circles, and you start as a little one, and you have to eat the little tiny circles. Okay, so I'm playing the game. Ah, no. Oh, this is the end. Okay, and then, oh my god. No, I hate when that happens. No. Dang it, I died. So you see how it works. I'm sorry that my finger is going like, up in the screen, but, he's the same guy that killed me again. No, I don't want that. Poop. Oh my god. Freddy. Somebody kill me again. It's not fair. Not at all. So. No. He's bigger. No, I'm stuck. Ah! Oh, poop. Oh, I died again.
How is it fun?
It keeps showing these. Exit this game. No, I don't want to exit this game. Why would you ask that question? Team or die. Oh my god. Whoever made this video, is not gonna publish it on YouTube. Oh, my score is really low. I'm terrible at this game. Oh my god. Alexis. Is that really Alexis? Alexis. I'm gonna get you. Dang it! Alexis got bigger. Now she's bigger. Stupidly big. Why do I keep dropping you? Okay. So, I'm sorry if I upload this video. Oh, and you get to see all of this. I'll just cut it out, yeah. Whatever. I'll just cut out whatever I said. That's bad. I'm terrible at this game. You don't know how terrible, but no, I don't want to be small. No! Dang it. The stupid apps, like, what? Oh. It's showing me the tutorial. I'm sorry, it's another game that's really fun. Oh my god. This is so much fun, this game. No, I don't want Noble Strike. Ugh. Now to go back to Agario. My name is not inappropriate. No! 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 You know, I'm gonna change my nickname. Yeah. It's gonna be. Can I move you for a second? Sorry. Okay, it's not there. I'll put you back where you are. I'll just say J. Done. I'm sorry if this video is bad, but I'll just JJ. And then I'm just like, nah! NASA. Nah. Are you serious? Okay. So I gotta go. I'm just gonna, after I drive one more time. I'm sorry, okay? And I gotta go. Oh. Is there? Okay, I guess. Okay. This is very... Ooh, what is this? What's this? Daily quest. Oh my god! Sorry. I don't want you up here. So the camera's right here. Okay, that's my face cam. Okay, now I know that. First, let me go get my dad, and I'm gonna tell him that. Dad! 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 I'll just put you back. Dad? That's a good place because I can see everything. Dad! I'll just play. No, Mr. Eyeball! Seems hungry. Eyeball again. This time he did not want me. Oh my god! I suck at this game. I use the headphones. Dad!